Okay, we're going to move on to adding products and categories. So that would be under catalog. The first one you see there's product and categories. So we're going to go ahead and click that. Now, a couple of things that I want to mention. As you look at this, you could see this status, the red status is off, the green status is on. Link product. Now let's say here's a category that I have is called t-shirts. Let's say that I wanted to put that status as off. Well, first of all, let's look at the online catalog. And as it loads here, you can see that we have a category over here called t-shirts, and that these are all part of the category. And how I know this is because we only have one category. But let's go ahead and puts that to an off. So it says warning, disabling category will disable all products in this category. So we're going to go ahead and disable that, and you see that this status has become disabled, and whenever we refresh the page here, we can see that there are no longer any products in anywhere on the site. So we'll go ahead and enable that and switch that to the status on category. This linked product is as if we have possibly downloaded stuff in it. But let's say that we wanted to create a new category, and we'll just call it test. Now I want to show you something. You notice how I have an HTML editor here. I can insert pictures and so on and so forth. How I got to that is back here under text editor. If I have plain text selected, whenever I go here to edit or add a new shirt, you'll see I'll scroll down here, I just get this box. There's no editor, and that's the reason why. So if we go back to categories, products, text editor, I want to edit in the HTML area. And under categories, this is where we're editing. The category sort order, categories name. Now if we're looking for maybe a particular product, because it's possible you may have thousands of products, and one of my favorite shirts of J Web Designs is the zombie one. So I'm going to type in zombie and hit enter, and you'll notice that we have different zombie characters that we can go in there and we can edit. So let's go back to the main category products page, and let's add another category, and we're going to call this test. Test category, and then put test description, and we can see here we can add pictures, different colors. We could change the color of our text even if we want to. Maybe we'll make it orange. So, but you can do that, anything that you want to in this HTML editor, and you can also have an image and upload an image to that category. Let me see if I could find a quick picture here. We'll add the Zen Cart picture, and we'll scroll down here, and we'll see we already selected. We're going to upload this to a directory called categories, of course, and we could give us an order. We'll make this number 2 in the order of the categories. We'll click save, and lo and behold, we'll see we have another category. It's the ID to number 2. So we'll go over to the website there. We'll refresh it. We notice that we get our t-shirts category back, but now we also have a test category. Now we click this test category, there's our little Zen Cart graphic, but you notice that there are no products listed in this category. So we're going to go back, we're going to click on the test category, and then we'll see these new buttons appear. Now we can put another child category in there if we like, but we're going to just go ahead and add a new product. If it's going to be available in a future date, of course you would select that there. Select the product's manufacturer if you so have the desire to do so. But we're going to do a test, and the product is not free. If the products call for price and you don't want to list it, you could select yes, and then you can have price by attributes, and we'll get to attributes in a future tutorial. That means, let's say that you're selling a t-shirt, but the red ones are more expensive than the white ones, and you want to charge $3 more for the red ones. Well, that's an attribute. Or maybe the larger sizes are more expensive than the smaller sizes. Those are different attributes too that you might be concerned about. You can have charge tax. It could be taxable goods or non-taxable. And we will, if it were a taxable good, then we would have a different, whatever we set our tax rate at under the configuration, these would be the different prices automatically. But we're not going to charge tax. Now, if the product is virtual, meaning that it's a download, you can go ahead and select yes, skipping address. But we're going to say that a shipping address is required, and you can have free shipping on this product if you so desire, or say that it's just a special download combo, but it requires a shipping address. So maybe there's some software that they're downloading from your store, but they also want a CD for any future backups that they need. Product quantity. You can show the quantity of, how many you have in stock, or you don't, or you could, if you have unlimited stock, you can have do not show quantity box. This product quantity minimum, like maybe they have to buy 2 shirts to get it at this price. So maybe that's what part of the deal is that you're offering. Or maybe that you'll put a cap on it. This person can only buy maximum 10 of the item. Product quantity units, how many are in a box. Maybe you're selling them by the box. Maybe you have 25 in a box, so on and so forth. But we're going to select one on all of these. And you might have a product quantity minimum unit mix, or whatever. However, you have to combine your different products together within packages. You can. This is pretty much a very versatile tool. Now here you can go ahead and you can add pictures, tables. You can even go into the larger editor and start typing this is a product, and so on and so forth. And you can save that. And products quantity, you would put here, the products model here, and then of course this will be the products image. Let's say that we'll just grab this girl checking out her bills there. And here's some things that you definitely want to keep in mind, especially whenever we're looking at the Google XML feeder. You can put in the products quantity, $9.99. That's how many you have. Maybe we'll have a products model of girl t-shirt, just like that. Pretty much you can make up whatever you want as far as your model numbers goes. If this product has an additional URL, you can put it in here. You can leave it blank. Now put in a number for the shipping weight, at least 1 pound or whatnot. So then that way, if in the future you ever need to calculate on shipping weight, you'll be able to do that. So if you're unsure, or it's just a good practice to fill in this blank for shipping weight. Condition, we're going to say new. You can also have used or refurbished. UPC is a 12-digit PIN number. That you would put in there, and ISBN, EAN, and whatever you like. We're just going to put a UPC number, but make sure that you fill out at least one of those, especially the UPC number. And do you want this to appear first, second, third in your list? We can hit preview and preview the item. We can see that here's our description. And we don't see the other information, but we know that it's in there as far as the UPC numbers. And we see, okay, we got a test. We got a girl's t-shirt. That's the model number. We fill it out. We're charging $10 a piece. We have 999 of them. Now let's go to our store and check it out. So we're going to refresh test category. and we could see there is our shirt product MJJJ. We could see that it's a girls t-shirts, 1 pound. We got 999 units in stock. We could, and our clients could tell our friends, or they can write a review. They could +1 it on Google, or they could share it even on Facebook. So, and then they could add to the shopping cart and proceed with their checkout. That's pretty much it whenever it comes to adding the product. Pretty much just fill in the blanks and fill in as much information that you have. Remember, the more information you could fill out, the better, and the less headache you'll have later. So this is our tutorial as far as on the catalog, categories, and products. Maybe we'll go on to the gift certificates and coupons next, and show you a little bit more about that.